What's going on, guys? Mike Gerardi here with Gerardi Performance, and we're going to do some tempo training. What I did here is take some very basic exercises and incorporated some time under tension into them. So very slow down and very slow up. So for example, with these lunges, I did a 5-second negative, 0-second pause at the bottom, and then a 3 seconds on the way up. Now for these squats, I'm going to do an 8-second descent, 2-second hold at the bottom, and a 3-second ascend to the top. Do these, it'll increase the resistance, increase time under tension, and you'll definitely feel a burn. All right, guys, that's what I got for you. 8 to 10 reps per exercise, 4 to 5 rounds total. Hope you guys like this one.